Wendy Castellino, and this is the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge Round 2. Last night I posted a video after I did it with my Palenville Fire Department gang, and we decided that we wanted to do it with our Wednesday night class at Petite Productions. So I was already nominated, and I challenged my participants to come tonight, and they decided to take me up on the challenge. And if they have someone to challenge, they're going to tell you their name and who they're going to challenge. Go ahead.
My name is Laura, and I challenge my husband David, my daughter Mariel, and my son Dayton.
My name is Pam. I challenge my son Andrew Baker, my other son Jameson Baker, and my sister-in-law Christine Sheehan.
Oh, I'm Jim from Catskill, and I nominate Bobby Price of the Philadelphia area, Buckwheat Batiste of the Beacon area, and Peter DiStefano, great native of right here in Catskill, New York.
My name is Anna McGuinn, and I nominate Sean McGuinn.
My name is Jennifer Singh, and I nominate Denise Marin.
Okay. So we're going to do it as a wave this evening. So Laura's going to go first.
Can we do it one at a time?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we already have the ice put in.
Yeah.
The ice is in.
Ice
Yes.
is there.
You'll see it.
1, 2, 3.
Now, if I can lift this again. Oh boy. Ready?
Maybe you should go
Ready?
right now.
Oh yeah. Why do we do that?
The group effort.
Oh, group
Out
effort.
of the
Come
way.
on. Ready?
Set.
Woo.
Woo!
Let's see if I can lift this. I'm
Let us
afraid
know
I
if you
can.
need help. Got it?
And last but not least,